Hi, I'm Vanessa McGovern, proud godmother of the Emerald Luna. Welcome aboard this beautiful starship vessel. Emerald Luna boasts 91 rooms, holding up to 181 guests with 5 different types of staterooms. Welcome to Stateroom 308, Grand Balcony Stateroom. So spacious, big king bed. My favorite, of course, is allowing the inside out and the outside in this innovative balcony. Welcome to the pool. You can enjoy this beautiful pool, rain or shine, because of the retractable roof. This multi-purpose section of the Emerald Luna boasts windows everywhere to enjoy full view of the beautiful destinations the ship visits. Welcome to the Reflections Restaurant, where you will dine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Isn't this a beautiful space? Love the greenery everywhere. It feels light and fresh, and it's a beautiful dining experience. Welcome to the Horizon Lounge on board the beautiful Emerald Luna. This is your main gathering place on the ship. You'll come here before dinner to hear all about your upcoming port of call, as well as hear from your culinary team on what you're going to experience in the dining room. Of course, after dinner, come back to this lounge and enjoy an after dinner cocktail, as well as an assortment of entertainment throughout the week. Lots of fun to be had in the Horizon Lounge. Emerald Cruises is committed to sustainability. You won't find paper printed programs on board this vessel. It's really easy to follow along with what's going on with the activities of the day. All you have to do is snap a quick picture of the program on the screen here in the atrium, and then you'll be able to know what's going on. Whether you're enjoying the port of call or staying on board for a leisurely afternoon or morning, there is always something to do and always something planned. Welcome to the sun deck on the beautiful Luna. This is where you'll enjoy the panoramic views of all the amazing destinations that you cruise by. Truly a highlight of river cruising. When you're up here, taking in the views, there's full bar service, so you can enjoy your beverage of choice while taking it all in. You can also come to the back and enjoy a little game of putt-putt if you feel like being active, or just grab a chair, sit back, and relax. Thanks for joining me on the tour of the beautiful Emerald Luna. I hope you enjoyed all of the various rooms, public spaces, and amenities of this innovative star-class ship. There's really nothing like a river cruise. River cruising appeals to many ages and many interests. The best way to ensure that you are on the right itinerary for your Emerald cruise is to contact your Gifted Travel Network advisor and let them know what you want. Working with a travel advisor is always the right way to go for booking your river cruise, so let's get cruising.